Today we're going to show you how to set and use the connected GPS feature on your vívomove 3, 3S, vívomove Style, or vívomove Luxe watch. This will allow you to record GPS on a timed walk, run, or bike activity. To set up and use connected GPS, you will need your watch and your smartphone. The first time that you set up connected GPS, you will want to ensure that you have enabled location access in the Garmin Connect app. On an iPhone, you can do this by going to the More menu in the lower right. Touch on Settings. Touch App Permissions and check to see if Location Permission is off. If it is, touch on Manage. The iPhone settings for the Garmin Connect app will appear. Touch on Location and select Always. On Android, access the Apps menu by touching on the icon in the upper left. Select Settings, then Phone Permissions. Check to see if Location Permission is off. If it is, touch Manage. The Android settings for the Garmin Connect app will appear. Touch Permissions and ensure that location is listed. If not, touch it and toggle on Location Permissions. Each time you use the connected GPS feature, remember the following. Bluetooth must be turned on for both the phone and watch. Your phone's GPS should be on. You should be outside with a clear view of the sky. The feature will not work indoors. Your phone must be with you, in your pocket, or in your hands during the activity in order to have a continuous Bluetooth connection. Once you're outside and ready to go, wake up the screen and then access the activity menu on the watch by pressing and holding the screen. Touch Activities. Select either walk, run, or bike as your timed activity. A screen will pop up asking you if you want to use your phone's GPS. Tap the check icon. Then your watch and phone will begin to communicate. After a few moments, you will see a connected message on your watch. When the timer page appears, double tap the display to start the activity. Begin your activity as usual, ensuring your phone stays with you the entire time. When you're done, double tap the display to stop the activity. Then, hit the save icon to save your activity. Once saved, the activity will be synced to your account automatically. Click on the activity to review your location, distance, pace, and other information. And that's it. For more help, go to support.garmin.com.